Hi, I'm Russ Squire.
I'm Bob Marquis.
And together we represent Sly Dog Roofing Inspections. What we can do for your company is we can deploy on a day's notice to any city in the country and inspect hail damage with aerial drones. This effectively saves your company an incredible amount of money and time in getting inspections done, accomplished, completed, and done and dusted. So the next time you need your roof inspected for hail damage, call us at Sly Dog Production Roof Inspections.
In addition to our drone technology that we're offering, we also have laser Disto in order to give you precise measurements of the roof dimensions.